Hi friends, welcome back to Miss Laurie's Stories. Today I'm going to read Steam Train, Dream Train by Sherri, Duskey, Rinker, and Tom Lichtenheld. And before I read, we're going to learn signs for dream and train. And then we can say dream train in sign language together. Alright, so the first sign we're going to learn is dream. So we're going to need our pointer finger and bring it to your forehead. Point right to where your brain is, and that's where all your dreams are happening while you're sleeping. And to say dream, we're going to pull our finger away from our head. Like we're kind of going a little up and out. But as we do that, this is important. We're going to bend our finger and straighten our finger and then bend it again. Whoa. So start with it straight, point to your head, and then as we pull it away, we're going to bend it, straighten it, bend it. Nice. And when we end in the bend, that's also a letter X in sign language. That's a fun fact. So let's say dream together one more time. Dream. That was great. And now it's time to learn train. So we're going to need your pointer finger and your middle finger. So we need your peace fingers. And we need two peace fingers. So get your other hand, pointer and middle out. And we're going to use one hand, the peace fingers, to be the track, the train track, and the other peace fingers to be the train. And now you're going to run your train over your track, back and forth. Train. Nice. Let's say dream train together. Dream. Train. That was so great. You looked awesome. And now we're definitely ready to read. Steam train, a dream train. Through the darkness, clickety-clack, coming closer down the track. Hold your breath so you can hear, huffing, chuffing, drawing near. A whistle blares out in the night, a mighty engine, wondrous sight. The smokestack puffs, the big wheels grind, the trusty tenders close behind. Cling, clang, the bell rings out on top. Hissing steam, brakes squeal, then stop. The driver signals to the crew. Each worker knows just what to do. Quick, before it gets too late, start to load up all the freight. Everything will soon be stowed, a train car matched to every load. The crew slides back the boxcar doors and tumbles in to start their chores. They whirl, twirl, cartwheel jump, but cargo stowed without a bump. Things that rock and roll and spin, all are juggled safely in. The freight is loaded as they play. They work and bounce the night away. Building blocks, erector sets, bikes and kites and model jets. The boxcars made to safely haul almost anything at all. The hopper's top is open wide, so cargo can be poured inside. The crew hops to it, one and all. They get to work and have a ball. Then with a bounce, a pounce, a leap, three boys jump in and fall asleep. Tankers lined up in a row are getting filled with paints to go. Purple, yellow, green, and blue, a color convoy coming through. The reefer car is snug and cold. Its chilly box can safely hold frozen treats for every stop, like a rolling ice cream shop. The train car's packed, the crew sits back and chills out with a midnight snack. Can hard workers lend a hand to fill the gondolas with sand? Sand for castles, moats, and more. Sand for tunnels, sand galore. Stacked up on the auto rack, 6 race cars for a private track. Rainbow colors, flames and stripes, shining engines, chromy pipes. The auto rack will gently keep these fast, fast cars all fast asleep. The well cars carry giant beast munching on enormous feast. Brachiosaurus likes the view, while T-Rex gets a bone to chew. The flatbed cars are rolling beds. The weary crew can rest their heads and settle in and tuck in tight. Their work is finished for tonight. The red caboose is last in line. From the lookout, all looks fine. The freight and crew are tucked away. The next stop is another day. A hiss, a jolt, a shift and sway. Now the journey's underway. The train's departing, car by car. The headlight fades into the stars. Puffing, chuffing, out of sight. Steam train, dream train. Chugga-chugga-choo-choo. Good night. And that's the end of Steam Train, Dream Train. And before I say goodbye, I'd love to do a train breath with you. All right, so there's 2 parts to train breath. I'm gonna teach both parts and then we'll put them together. So the first part, we are going to take a deep breath through our mouth like this. And we're gonna let out the ch, ch, ch sound from our mouth. So let's try that together. Breathe in through your mouth and let go the ch, ch, ch. That was great. Let's do that one more time to practice. Ch, ch, ch. And now we're gonna do the train whistle part. So we're gonna breathe in through our nose and let out the train noise whistle with your mouth. Choo, choo. That was great. Can we try that again? So breathe in through your nose first. Choo, choo. That was awesome. Now let's put those 2 parts together. So remember, let's breathe in through your mouth to start. Choo, choo. That was so great. Let's do that one more time all together. Choo, choo. Whoa, it sounded like a real train was coming down the track. It was so fun reading Steam Train, Dream Train with you today. And I'll read another story really soon. I love you lots. Bye, friends.